Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. I hope you're doing well today. Thanks for stopping by. I've got a 1-pound bag of garbanzo beans, or otherwise known as chickpeas. My younger sister gave these to me. She said she is not a fan. So I am going to cook these, and I'm going to cook them in the Ninja Foodi, which I've never done, so let's give it a try. So I'm going to rinse these, sort through them, and then I'm going to soak them. And it says on the back of the package, or it says in my Ninja Foodi rather, the instructions say to soak them for 8 to 24 hours, I think it said. So I'm going to soak these for the better part of today, and then we'll progress to actually cooking them. And if you don't know, the Ninja Foodi, it's a pressure cooker. It does all kinds of things. My son and daughter-in-law gave it to me, and I'm getting a lot of use out of it. I didn't think I would, but I am. All right. I've got my colander in the sink here, and so I'm going to get on with this. Okay, these have been rinsed and sorted, which that's also the instructions on the bag. This bag says that these are top tier premium garbanzo beans. Now, on the package, it didn't say anything about soaking them, but my cookbook that came with the Ninja said to soak them, so that's what I'm going to do. It actually doesn't take any time at all to cook them in the Ninja, but soaking, that's fine. So I covered them with hot water just because it just made sense to me, but I'm going to let these sit out on the countertop. I'm going to cover them with a plate and just let them sit out. I'm not going to put them in the refrigerator. I think they're fine. When they're ready to cook, we'll be back, and we'll do this together. Aren't you excited? Alrighty then. Our garbanzo beans are soaked. Looks pretty good. So I'm going to get those drained, and then we're going to double check our directions in the Ninja Food Cookbook. Okay, so we checked the section, the pressure cooking chart section in the Ninja Foodi Cookbook. That is marked legumes. And if we go down here, we will find garbanzo beans, chickpeas. 1 pound soaked, 6 cups of water, and then it tells us right here the pressure should be on low for 3 minutes. For 3 minutes. Let's come back here to make sure that we're right. 3 minutes, and it says pressure release natural for 10 minutes, and then you can do a quick release. So, well, that sounds simple enough. All right, let's get it started. This is what the Ninja Foodi cookbook looks like that comes with the unit. Okay, I drained and rinsed the chickpeas one more time. So they're ready to go. Didn't say to salt them or anything, so I'm not going to salt them. And let's turn on the Foodi. We're going to hit pressure. It's now on high, but we want to put it on low according to the instructions. We're going to put it on 3 minutes. There you go. Now, I'm going to put the pressure cook lid on there. Make sure that that's where it should be. Okay. All right. Now, all I have to do is press start. This is exciting. Now it's going to preheat until it starts the pressure cooking, and then it should go 3 minutes. Okay, as you could see, we started the countdown to 3 minutes, and now the reason why it's counting forward is because it is counting the minutes for natural pressure release, and the instructions said to let it release naturally for 10 minutes, and then it can be released manually. So right now, that is what I'm doing. When this gets to 10 minutes, then I can release the pressure manually. Okay, we're almost at 10 minutes. So now I'm going to release the pressure manually. Okay, let's see what we've got. This was a pretty fast cooking time overall, even with the pre-heating feature that brings it up to pressure. So let's see. Let's see. You know, you guys have been with me through a lot of firsts, haven't you? Yes, you have. You guys are awesome. Okay, there's the garbanzo beans / chickpeas. They look like chickpeas. Oh. All right. I'm going to remove this insert here, and then I'm going to let these cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to place them in a container along with the cooking water, because I just think I should leave them in the cooking water. Okie doke, here's the chickpeas. Now, I didn't keep all of the cooking liquid, but I did keep some, as you can see. So that's what they look like. Just to show you. Yep, see? They're soft, but, well, they're cooked through, but they're still somewhat firm, as chickpeas tend to be. So, when these get cooled off enough to put in the refrigerator, that's what I'll do. I've got a snug lid here, so I'll cover them up, and we will put them in the refrigerator because I have a couple of different plans for these chickpeas and how to use them in meals. And I'm going to be back to share that with you. So, all right, chickpeas are done. It's been a great day, and I'm very glad to have these, and thank you, BLS, for giving these to me. I appreciate it, and I love you. Okay, all right. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it, okay? All right, I love you guys. I hope that you have a great day, and if you've never tried to cook chickpeas, you don't necessarily need the Ninja Foodi. You can cook them in a stovetop pressure cooker or just cook them in a pan. Follow the directions on the back of the bag, and you should be good to go. All right, I love you. I'll talk to you later. Oh, please like, subscribe, and share because it will help me, and it sure might help somebody else. All right, love you. Bye-bye.